vaccination percentage till today evening, we have just reached 49%, which is very encouraging, which is very good. And I'm sure by the end of September, we'll be crossing 70%. And now we have seen that people willingly, they come and then they go to the vaccination centers for getting themselves vaccinated. So this is a good sign. And I'm sure once we reach maybe to 85, 90%, I think, the restrictions can be lifted in totality. This is what we are working out towards that, where ultimately we can bring back normalcy like usually happen. So this is what I would like to share with all of you. And then the residents of the state, they need to know that, of course, still some sections, some people, they still have this hesitancy. But let me just tell you now, 49% till today we have just reached, we have just crossed, and I'm sure that hesitancy will further go down from now on.